Hello, dito ako kukunin ko yung baril. Tingnan mo na.
Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your knees, and you'll both be filled with food. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your
Dito ilalagay natin. Dito sa may hole.
Put your stuffy
Ilalagay natin.
on your nose.
Tingnan nyo. Oh. Dito na. Oh. Ikakasa natin. Wait lang.
Put your stuffy on your head, on your head. Put your stuffy on your head, Put your stuffy on your head, then put them straight to bed. Put your stuffy on your head, on your head. Give your stuffy a big, big hug. Give your stuffy a big, big hug. Give your stuffy a big, big
Wait
hug.
lang.
Make them feel so safe and loved. Give your stuffy a big, big
Ito.
hug.
Ilagay natin.
Aw, thanks for doing that song with me. Bye, Stuffy. Bye, friend.
Tingnan nyo.
Acrobacca soda cracker, acrobacca boo.
Dito na yan.
Acrobacca soda cracker, up goes you. Acrobacca soda cracker, acrobacca
3,
boo.
2,
Acrobacca soda
1,
cracker,
3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1.
patty cake, baker's make. Baking me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it, roll it, mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! What do we do with a brush
Brush.
or a comb?
Oh.
Yeah, we brush our hair.
Dito tayo.
When our hair is
Dito
messy,
tingnan nyo. Nakikita niyo ako. Hello. So,
what do we do with a phone?
alam niyo to. Yan o.
Yeah, we talk on the phone.
Magsusulat tayo nito.
Hi, Mommy.
Wait lang.
How are you? Bye-bye.
Wait lang ma. Tingnan nyo.
What do we do with a fork?
Susulatan ko.
Yeah, we eat with a fork. Eat with a fork. We eat with a fork. What do we do with a spoon?
Basa.
We eat with a spoon. Maybe cereal?
Oh, gusto niya to.
Good job. You be the ice cream and I'll be the freezer.
Oh, gusto niya to.
You be
lang.
the lemon and I'll be the squeezer. You be the hot dog and I'll be the bun.
Yan lang niya to.
Baby, and we'll have so much fun. Shake, shake, shake. Can you shake a toy? Shake,
Wait
shake,
lang.
shake, shake,
Hello.
shake, shake, shake.
Kikita niya.
Shaking a toy. Yay!
Wait lang.
Shake it in the air, shake it here, shake it there, shake it in the air, shake your shaker. Shake it high and shake it low, shake it just, shake it low, shake it high and shake it low, shake your shaker. Shake it here and shake it far, shake her like a car, shake it here and shake it far.
So, dito po yun o. Tingnan nyo. Maganda ba? Ayan. So, dito na lang tatapos. Bye-bye.